Make a great choice today with the 2020 R8, a heritage of performance, luxury, and exquisite detailing. That, quite simply, is what the R8 is all about. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: mid-mounted engine, power windows with safety reverse, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, rollover protection system, ambient lighting. Come see the car for yourself.